Hey everybody, 80 Jackson 330 here, and today I'm filming my latest haul from Fox and Pip. It's a perfect package if you're a nap queen like me. I've got some close-ups and sneak peeks, so let's get started. So let's start with this. I was the Pipsqueak of the month for February, and I got to collab with Amanda on this beautiful little sampler. She perfectly matched what I had in my head as far as this Pip girl with her little robe and bunny slippers. I'm obsessed with this. Thankfully, she sent me a few extras in my order, so I have a couple to hoard. I mean, just the pillow shape, all of this. I was so honored and thrilled to be chosen as the Pipsqueak for February, and just to have something this cute come out of it is just unreal. I love it. She also sent me 2 different sizes of the girl in die cut form, and I believe these will be coming to the shop soon as well. And then, of course, die cuts of the Ray Dunn inspired Nap Queen and coffee/wine mugs. I'm not sure if these will be coming to the shop, but I really hope they are because these are really cute as well. She also sent me 2 different shades of this pretty pink bow that was featured on the sampler. And then I picked up the pillow die cut set with my order. So I've got the Snuggle is Real, But First Sleep, and Back to Bed. And moving on to the stickers. This is Mom Life, Comfy Planner, I Love Sleep. I'm guessing you guys can sense a theme here. I'm really into naps. I got the Planner Nerd sheet, Pretty Planner, Sassy Pillows, The Boss, Top Knot Double Shot, and I got that in gray and pink. And then she sent me a couple of the Morning Person, the girl that's featured on my sampler. There we go. She sent me a couple sheets of those with the colored hair since the sampler is pink so that it can be used by more people. And these will be in the shop soon with all of the different skin tones and hair colors. Looking forward to that. And she sneaky surprised me with 2 of the new hollow glitter vinyl decals. These are just, I can't even explain how pretty these are. Words do not do it justice. This video is not going to do it justice. You've got to see it in person. It's so pretty, especially this one's my favorite. I don't even know what I'm going to do with this. I just need to find somewhere. It might go on my laptop or like on a cell phone case, somewhere where I'll see it just a ton. That's really, really pretty. She also snuck in this sweet little surprise from Jasinia's shop over at the Planner Sophisticate. As always, Jasinia's script is perfection, and this foiling the bow, the wand, is so unique and pretty. I just really love this so much. I'm just so obsessed with this order. Every single piece is beyond perfect. I love it all. I'm sure you guys know I am the fan club president for Fox and Pip. I was one of her first customers and have been just in love with everything she does since the moment that I first placed an order. I cannot recommend her shop enough. Everything is so pretty. It's unique. It's hand-drawn. You guys, check out her shop. It's amazing. And that does it for this haul. I hope that you all love the Pipsqueak sampler as much as I do. I think I'm gonna have to do a nap-inspired setup in my TN soon. It is always so much fun to collab with Amanda. She also has an 80 Jackson 330 YouTube collab sticker sheet in her shop that's cactus themed from last year when I started my channel. As always, shop links and discount codes are in the description below. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye!